Yo, I love this. What's good, everybody? What's good to all the ENHYPEN supporters? Bro, you guys, come on. Come on. I mean, like, you guys spam my comment section saying ENHYPEN should give us a song, right? A new track. And that track should have been called Daydream. But it was surprising that that track never released, bro. I mean, like, is it postponed for another day, or this was a track that should be released? Because I've reacted to an official track video last week where it's saying Daydream, and I was surprised that NIFN gave us a different track called No Doubt. I am feeling, a little bit downhearted because I was expecting Daydream. But this is NIFN, bro, and easy go. Easy go, like, it's a freaking goal. Beautiful songs, amazing song titles, and all the song titles are resonating to the official song, so you don't know, the story time will be lit. Okay, so NIFN, bro, you know all this goes, so we're here for you, okay? We're gonna react to this. So guys, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna react to ENHYPEN, No Doubt, official video. So without further ado, let's take a walk into this beautiful song of ENHYPEN. Yo, I gotta say, like, whenever time I see this guy, he's always properly attired. His dress codes are always properly attired. I mean, like, one of the neatest guys in his crew, right? Of the pop group, right? So he's a mentor. I respect him. I look up to him because, as I always stated in all my reactions, whenever time I see a guy in full suit with a dress code like that, I respect him. Trust me. Well, this is what we need, bro. A magical voice. And to sit and to hear this magician sing, it's totally beautiful. This guy comes out strong. He comes out strong because this song wasn't expected, but it's now doing good. Like, it's doing good, bro. Female who is speaking of, right? She gotta respect this man. Cause this song, it's no joke. Energetic performance, energetic dance, on time group, right? Harmonious groups. And I do respect how these guys always displaying of how great of a dancers they really are, because I have to show people that we have to be respectful when it comes on to these dances, because dances are really hard to do, especially if you're not dancers. And to get a lot of practice, you all know that it's going to take some time. And to see this harmonious dance, it's a bonus. To respect people who supports their friends in everything they do righteously. So to see all his friends here in this video supporting him, giving him the strength that he deserves, it made me smile, bro. I feel energized. And what the dancing is displaying here, showing off, that what love should be like. Yeah, very energized. For these guys to teach me how to dance, because I myself can't even do something that they call dance. It's difficult. And it's a shame that I'm a Jamaican and I can't dance, bro. It's that's not in my DNA. The dancing thing, no. But to see these guys enjoying themselves while dancing, it up. Okay, this looks like a great scenery. Oh my god, bro! I mean, like, these guys are full of surprises, full of surprises. Boo, boo, boo. Amazing song, bros, bro. ENHYPEN, you have outdone yourselves again, man. G, and I love it. I love it. I love it. So, if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.